The Antonio Pasqualino International Puppet Museum was founded in 1975 by the Association for the Conservation of Folk Traditions of Palermo. Located inside an 18th century building, the former Hôtel de France, it houses an extensive collection of more than 5,000 works, string, hand, and shadow puppets, and theatrical props from all over the world. Among these, the puppets of 5 traditions proclaimed by UNESCO as masterpieces of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity. Namely, the Sicilian Opera dei Pupi, whose nomination was supported by the Pasqualino Museum, the Japanese Bunraku, the Indonesian Wayang Kulit, the Cambodian Sbek Tom, the Gelede from Nigeria, Benin, the Turkish Karagöz, the Korean Namsadang Nori Koktugaksi, and the Sri Lankan Rukadanatya string puppets. The collection of pupi from Palermo, Catania and Naples is undoubtedly the largest and most complete existing today. The museum's collection is enriched with puppets created by contemporary artists for some innovative shows produced by the museum. The museum history is indissolubly tied to Antonio Pasqualino, a surgeon and distinguished anthropologist from Palermo, and Janne Wiebeck. They worked for safeguarding, promoting, revitalizing the Opera dei Pupi in a period of deep crisis for this theatrical practice. The mid-19th century economic and social transformation of Italy and Sicily provoked the shrink of its traditional audience, namely men from the subordinate classes. They didn't mirror any longer in the behavioral models that the show's plots and characters. Empty of their traditional audience, Sicilian puppeteers began to close their theatres and searched for more profitable activities. They sold off, or gave away their so-called mestieri, or sets of objects necessary to perform. In 1975, after 10 years of full engagement, the association founded the International Puppet Museum, that made the heritage of Antonio Pasqualino had collected meanwhile available. It included a set of pupi from the Caninos family of Palermo and a set of pupi of Natale Meilis Theatre. Since the very beginning, the museum's safeguarding and conservation activities combined with theatrical programs. The first Opera dei Pupi festival, Rassegna, was organized, and every year puppeteers from all around Sicily were involved. Its aim was reinforcing their relation with the audience and helping the oral transmission of the intangible heritage they still hold. In 1985, the Rassegna became Festival di Morgana and opened its programs to foreign puppet traditions and contemporary arts. The museum still organizes the festival every year. Traditional and contemporary companies from Italy and from abroad are scheduled within programs that integrate live performances with exhibitions, conferences, and educational activities.